Lastly, let's take a look at the machine learning rules page. There's two ways to feed the machine learning. So our ML works on a decision tree model basis. We generate complex rules based on the various branches and nodes of the decision tree, and therefore we create actual readable complex rules. We decided to go down this path because our machine learning is completely transparent and white box. The fraud managers always understand why the decision making was this or that, and they can always understand why a specific rule set was generated. Similar to the testing feature in the custom rules page, we assess the accuracy of these rules on a constant basis. We apply a confusion matrix in order to provide an understanding of the accuracy of these rules. The machine learning constantly retrains itself, on the one hand based on the positive and negative labels associated to each and every transaction through the label API. Secondly, you can also train the machine learning module through the actions of the fraud managers by changing states from review to approve or review to decline. Whenever a transaction comes in for a review and the fraud manager decides to decline it, the next time, most likely, if a similar transaction with a similar pattern arrives, the machine learning will have already generated a rule for it. It's really important to feed the machine learning effective input data in order for it to be able to learn. Under the machine learning rules section, there's two types of rules that you can find. On the one hand, complex rules, which take a look at multiple parameters related to a transaction. On the other hand, we also have heuristic rules in the system, which take a look at a single data point, and if a single data point is associated to a fraudulent transaction multiple times in the system, then a heuristic rule is automatically generated by the machine learning.